How much money can you transfer to Spain? Welcome back to Spainguru. Today, we're diving into the details of transferring money to Spain. Whether you're relocating, buying property, or simply sending funds to family, it's crucial to understand the regulations and tax implications involved. Let's ensure your transfers are both legal and efficient. Let's have an overview of Spanish regulations on money transfers. Spain has stringent regulations to combat money laundering and tax evasion. Understanding forms like S1 for declaring large amounts and Form 720 for reporting overseas assets over 50,000 is essential. We'll explore how these regulations apply to the different types of money transfers, especially through banks and other platforms, or simply carrying cash. In Spain, any transfer over 10,000 euros across borders must be declared. This rule applies to wire transfers, cash, checks, and even precious metals. Knowing this threshold helps avoid penalties and ensures compliance with Spanish laws. The fines from the tax authorities for this type of situations are at least 600 euros and can be up to 50% of the value of the means of payments used. In addition, if you fail to justify the origin of the money, fines up to 150,000 euros can be applied in the most serious cases. Now let's talk about the tax implications. Transferring money to Spain can have significant tax implications. Income tax. If you're a tax resident, you must declare all international income, including money transferred for living expenses or as gifts. And about donations and gifts, larger transfers may be subject to Spain's inheritance and gift tax, which varies by region. Now let's go through a step-by-step guide to transferring money to Spain. First, choose your transfer method. Consider traditional banks, online platforms like Wise or remittance services. You can find several links that will save you wire transfer fees on spainguru.es. Second, understand the fees and exchange rates. Calculate the total cost of your transfer, considering both fees and exchange rates. Third, prepare necessary documentation. You may need to provide proof of the source of funds and the purpose of the transfer. And four, complete required forms. For significant amounts, as we said, over 10,000 euros, ensure you fill out and submit forms like S1 and have in mind declaring assets over 50,000 euros of value in your 720 form. Now, when choosing a service for transferring money, first, check out the fees, assess both fixed and percentage-based fees. Second, speed. Some services offer faster transfers than others. And third, user experience. Consider the ease of use of the platform or service. Now, what happens with cryptocurrency transfers? While not directly regulated, converting cryptocurrency to euros in Spain must comply with anti-money laundering laws. And what about large transfers over 100,000 euros? These require detailed documentation and potentially advanced tax planning to ensure compliance. In conclusion, try to stay updated on changes in the European Union and Spanish regulations affecting money transfers. Regular consultations with legal experts or tax advisors can help navigate these rules effectively. Oh, and one more thing. Apparently YouTube says you're gonna love watching this video right here. I think you should watch it.